we just got to put the brakes on the right side. We can slap the wheels on and put this thing on the ground. Yeah, we good? Greetings, friends! Welcome back to the garage. It's a very exciting day. Last video, we got the differential in there. Now we're gonna finish hooking it up and we're gonna build that rear suspension. Let's just jump right into the time-lapse footage. Syncratic, you're gonna hook us up with some fat beats, right? Excellent. Putting the weight of this thing for a while.
We're probably gonna have to tap the control arm in.
Okay, slide it towards, yep, a little more. Yep, a little more. Yep, okay, that's good. A little more jiggle, Down. Finally got it. Yes. All right, it has been one heck of a journey, but we have a running, driving Mazda Miata for less than $3,000. Anyway, there's a few more things we gotta do. We gotta button up the back end. We're gonna get the interior detailed. It smells like smoker, so that needs to get dealt with. And then I got an exhaust pipe that I ordered that's gonna go in the back so it doesn't sound like garbage. And that's gonna be that. Anyway, thanks for coming along, guys. I can't thank you enough for all the support. I got more stuff coming. We got the Mitsubishi coming down the line. We got some work we're gonna do to that. And the Marauder is gonna come back out real soon with the weather getting nicer. But anyway, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. And, you know, good luck, have fun, drive safe, and I'll see you next time.